warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you are all fine, dear students. Today, I'll just try to make one presentation for those who are very new to programming in Python. Just stick with me and watch complete presentation, and I hope you will definitely understand. And nowadays, it's compulsory that you should learn some of the famous programming languages, even though you are doing engineering or medical or any stream, but you must have some knowledge about programming so that you can easily handle your task. And also in that way, just let me introduce the programming language which we call it as Python. Why Python is so popular, what is the purpose, why everyone is using Python. Basically, students, Python is so easy to learn. It's a kind of interpreter, and the most important thing is it's easily available, it's free, and whatever the program you have written, and on any platform, you no need to just modify it and execute it. That's the beautiness of Python, and so easy to understand. Even the school students and even those who are not having any previous knowledge about programming also can learn. So let me just start my presentation so that you can know something about Python. No doubt, if you have any doubt, you can just feel free to contact me. I'm already got so many videos in my channel. Just go through it and learn programming in Python. So now here is the first slide. Just let me play it so that you know that here is my email ID, which is mohdabdlb60@gmail.com. You can just contact me in case of any queries or anything. It's here, mohdabdlb60@gmail.com. Okay, about Python, that since I already mentioned that it's the first presentation for those who are new to Python. Just I'll just recorded already few thing about Python. No doubt you can just, if you listen carefully, you'll get some knowledge about it. Okay, Python is actually, see, it's as I told you, it's an open source. So what will happen is you can just download from python.org, and a lot of versions are available. Depends upon your configuration. You can just load it. I am using 3.8 actually, 3.8.10, and you can see if you are having, depends upon the RAM capacity and all that, you can decide it. But you consider this one is a very simple language, easy to learn, and it's a most important thing, it's guys, it's a portable. Believe me, it's so easy. It doesn't require any compilation or anything just like that. Okay, so let me just just listen this one, and I'm sure you will understand.
What is Python? Python is an interpreted, object-oriented,
Let me just increase the value.
language with dynamic semantics. Its high-level built-in data structures, combined with dynamic typing and dynamic binding, make it very attractive for rapid application development.
No, basically it has
Different
got
versions of
modes.
Python Van Rossum started developing the new script in the late 1980s and finally introduced the first version of the programming language
Excuse
in
me.
1991. Later on, he was named this as a Python. Interactive mode. This is the mode where Python interpreter processes your command and gives you instant output. Limitation of this mode is that you cannot save your code and you have to re-enter the code to run this again.
And of course this one is a MyVice.
The script mode. In this mode, Python program written in the file to be executed in the Python shell. The script mode is suitable for large programs and interactive mode is good for small codes.
Okay, now I'll just wrap it up now. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next videos. Of course you will enjoy learning Python. Thank you so much and have a nice and wonderful day.